Hey everyone, today we're going to learn a new and different woodbending technique. You'll need a piece of plywood and a woodbending tool. First, we'll work on shading to create light and dark areas before we start burning hair by hair. When starting to burn, keep the tool at a medium temperature to avoid excessive burning at first. Gradually increase the temperature as needed. To darken an area, you can either increase the temperature or work slowly in the same spot to absorb more heat. Always work from dark to light. Keep a sandpaper or a tool to clean the tip of the woodbending tool. Over time, burnt wood accumulates on the tip and can scratch the wood, leaving an unwanted black mark. Make sure to sand the tip quickly to avoid burning the sandpaper. There are many types of wood suitable for woodbending, but avoid wood that burns too easily or takes too much effort to burn. Experiment with different types to find the one that gives you the best results. Always test the temperature of your tool on a scrap piece of wood before using it on your actual project to avoid mistakes that are difficult to fix. Remember that the temperature of your woodbending tool will continue to rise if left unused. Let it cool down or use it on a scrap piece of wood first. Woodbending is best done in winter or in a well-ventilated area during summer. If you make a mistake, you can sand the area or gently scrape it with a sharp tool. For fine lines and details, use a thin tip. It's important to keep a cloth nearby to wipe off any sweat or oils from your hands, as these can prevent the tool from burning the wood properly. If you're drawing a portrait and start with the face, it will be darker compared to the rest of the wood. Once you add the hair, the face will appear lighter. This means you'll have to go back and darken the face again, doubling your time and effort. Should you start with the hair? No, it's better to start with the darkest part of the drawing, whether it's the hair or the background. You can use pastel pencils for highlights or experiment with other materials like gel pens, acrylics, or wood stains. For safety, work in a well-ventilated area and wear a respirator to protect your lungs. If you get burned, apply first aid immediately. When burning wood, always use a stand, not a table. This prevents smoke from harming your lungs. Keep safe and have fun. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.